Step into a world where design meets inspiration. In 2025, home interiors evolve into personalized sanctuaries infused with aesthetic color trends and luxurious lighting ideas. This narrative explores how modern luxury is redefined through a palette of captivating hues and statement lighting, creating spaces that are timeless yet trendsetting. Let's dive into the future of home design and uncover the secrets to transforming your living spaces into masterpieces. Neutral colors dominate the aesthetic trends of 2025, but with a creative edge. Beige and taupe are elevated with subtle undertones of green, lavender, or peach, adding depth and character to interiors. These versatile shades pair effortlessly with modern lighting concepts, creating a serene atmosphere perfect for unwinding. Picture walls bathed in soft light that enhances every subtle hue, making your space both calming and visually engaging. For those seeking drama, deep blues and vibrant terracottas take center stage. These rich colors evoke emotion and create focal points, especially when paired with strategically placed lighting. Imagine a deep blue accent wall highlighted by directional lighting that accentuates its boldness, or terracotta vases illuminated by warm pendant lights, blending modern luxury with artistic expression. White remains timeless but takes on a new dimension in 2025. Layered textures, matte walls, glossy finishes, and subtle patterns combine to make white spaces more dynamic. To complement this minimalist elegance, soft, diffused lighting creates a dreamy ambience. Picture a living room with textured white walls illuminated by hidden LEDs, making every surface glow with sophistication and depth. Green continues to reign as a top choice for 2025, bringing nature indoors. Earthy olive and sage tones balance luxury with a grounded, organic vibe. Lighting plays a vital role here. Think of greenery-inspired interiors bathed in natural light during the day and enhanced by golden sconces or floor lamps in the evening. This creates a harmonious blend of indoor elegance and outdoor serenity. Metallic tones like brushed gold, rose gold, and champagne are perfect for adding opulence to any space. These accents shine brightest under thoughtful lighting design. Picture metallic fixtures casting shimmering reflections, or a statement chandelier made from brushed gold creating a dazzling centerpiece in your dining room. It's all about finding the balance between luxury and functionality. Monochromatic interiors are making waves, focusing on a single color in various shades and textures. From muted pinks to elegant grays, these cohesive palettes feel luxurious yet effortless. Paired with layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent lighting, a monochromatic space becomes a dynamic haven. For instance, imagine a bedroom awash in soft blush tones, accentuated by adjustable bedside lamps for a truly versatile retreat. Backlighting takes center stage in 2025, enhancing architectural details and creating soft, ambient glows. Backlit mirrors in bathrooms, illuminated shelving in living rooms, and glowing headboards in bedrooms redefine luxury. These lighting techniques not only highlight features, but also add an ethereal charm to any space. Think of a backlit vanity mirror that transforms your morning routine into an indulgent ritual. Chandeliers are no longer just traditional, they are evolving into bold, modern sculptures. 2025's designs embrace geometric forms, mixed materials, and unique finishes. Imagine an oversized chandelier with cascading glass orbs in a double-height living room. The interplay of light and shadow creates a dramatic visual impact, turning any space into a luxurious sanctuary. Dynamic lighting that changes colors adds a playful yet luxurious touch to interiors. Think LED strips that shift from calming blues to energizing yellows, matching your mood or the time of day. These colorful accents work wonders in media rooms, bedrooms, or even under kitchen cabinets. By blending modern technology with aesthetic appeal, colorful lighting allows for spaces to feel alive and adaptable. Wood accents bring warmth and sophistication to modern interiors, with lighting used to emphasize their natural beauty. In 2025, wood elements like slatted panels, ceiling beams, or furniture are paired with recessed lighting to highlight their grain and texture. Imagine a living room with wooden wall panels illuminated by soft, indirect lighting, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere while maintaining a luxurious and modern aesthetic. Concealed lighting adds a sense of mystery and refinement to interiors. These hidden sources create a glow without revealing the fixture itself, perfect for modern luxury homes. Consider LED strips embedded under floating shelves or beneath bathroom vanities, providing a soft radiance that feels effortless yet elegant. This approach elevates even the simplest spaces, making them feel polished and intentionally designed. 2025, art and lighting are inseparable. Walls featuring bold, abstract paintings or sculptures become focal points with targeted lighting. Directional spotlights or track lights highlight the details of the artwork, enhancing its colors and textures. Imagine walking into a hallway where an oversized painting glows under soft lighting, creating a gallery-like atmosphere that's both luxurious and inspiring. Furniture and lighting trends embrace curves and organic shapes, offering a softer, more fluid aesthetic. Oval light fixtures, circular pendant lamps, and arched floor lights complement rounded sofas or tables, creating harmony in design. Picture a dining space with a softly glowing circular pendant lamp suspended above a curved marble table, making every meal feel like an elevated experience. As 2025 unfolds, home design embraces innovation, elegance, and individuality. Aesthetic color trends and luxurious lighting combine to create spaces that inspire and captivate. From bold hues to sculptural lighting, these elements transform interiors into reflections of personality and taste. By blending timeless sophistication with contemporary flair, the homes of 2025 redefine what it means to live beautifully, proving that true luxury lies in the details.